Hello folks, welcome back. Some practice session. Let's see how far we get today. I'm just gonna start off with the 4-2-2-4. Six, 3-3. 6 is the point. Two, 1-1. Six. Point made. 4-2. Same set. Two, 1-1. Nine. 6-3. 9 is a point. Four, 1-3. Nine. 5-4. Point made. Four, 1-3. Points 4. Six. 5-1. Eight. 6-2. 10 the hard way. 5-5. Six, 4-2. Ten, 4-6. Four, 2-2. Point made. Eight, 6-2. Points 8. Okay, 15 row. Eight, 5-3. Point made. Okay, we made 4 5-point. Made that 5-point bet. Five, 2-3. Points 5. Seventeen row. Three, 1-2. All right, we got it all small. Made it all small. So far, so good. We got a 5 bet and we got it all short, all small. Four. Perfect. I like the way that and it stick. 1-3. 4. That's 19 row already. Five, 2-3. Okay, made a 5-point. That's 5-5-point. 5 points. 5 points already made. Pretty good so far. It's 20 row. Nine, 4-5. Nice point. Just gotta stay focused. Nine, 6-3. Point made. Two, 1-1. We should be changing set now, but let's just stay with it. Eight, 4-4. Ace point. Six, 1-5. It's 25 roll already. Just gotta stay focused. There's 5 more to go. Oh, a little too high that way. 9, 6-3. Okay, point made. No, that's an 8. Sorry. 6-3, 9. Made a mistake. Needed an 8 to make the point. Five, 1-4. Nine, 6-3. Man, if this was a real game, we'd be pushing it, pressing it 3 times, not collecting. We'd be pretty good by now. Just stay focused, don't lose concentration. 28 roll already. 8, 3-5. Point made. Okay. 29th roll. Now, according to the math, this should be a 10th count. So let's focus and try not to get out, you know. 3, 1, 2. 30 roll. Dirty roll so far. No 7. See if we can survive past 30. 5. Okay, 2, 3. 5's the point. I gotta change set at least once. Go back to it. Going for the 6, 3, 3, 6. 6. Okay. 5, 1. Okay. Same set. 6, 3, 3, 6. 7 out. Oh, 32 roll. Crapped out on the 33. Okay. Made 5 point. Needed a 10 to do a complete set. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 point made. Couldn't make the 8. And we're at 32 roll. Crapped out at 33. Let's count. So it's 3, 5, okay, 4, 10, 12, 14. Made it all short. We needed 11, 12 for all tall. 5. Okay, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 32. 32 row, no 7. Oh, getting pretty high up there. Can't really say it's consistent yet in the 30s, but give it a couple more shots and we'll see if we can maintain that high SOR at 30. But that's it. Hope you keep practicing and hope you get a good year. See you next practice. Take care. Again, there's a lot of hot shooters out there. So let's take the challenge and see how many times you could roll. And see who got the highest roll out there, right? Take care. Bye.